have it open right here. I'm gonna floating this no wipe top coat on the top of the condensed glue gel. If you love crystal designs and love the Diamond Dust Pixie application and you're afraid of it's not going to stay or it's not going to adhere properly for you, Diamond Dust Pixie is works so well with Crystal Trifecta. Is help to adhere every single little of pixie on the nails, and it will keep your designs last up to 4 weeks.
And April, that purple polish color you see on the screen right now, that's our enchanted color. That's a new gel polish color that just come out for this Halloween season.
Just for fall and Halloween. Oh my god, thanks so much April for tuning in. It's so good to see everyone. We are so excited and we're like really extremely busy between getting one show to the next shows, and then for its holiday seasons with a lot of contents as well. And also go ahead.
Oh, Jess, there's a lot of stuff coming in the sub box. Usually you get about between 10 to 12 different items in a sub box. So yes, you got a lot of value in the box itself. And time to time we do have press on set, but not on every single box.
Press on set? No, we have it this month box.
This month we do, yes, but it's not like a mainstay. It's not on every single box throughout the year.
I got you, but a lot of time we do have it in a different season. Some floating little white top coat, if you're seeing it, is we're not killing the condensed glue gels at all. Just let it's like the floating white top coat right on the top. And then now if you want any of the crystals placement, you can. If you don't want, you don't have to. So what I'm gonna do, would you like to see something like this, the spiders, something cute like this, or you don't care for it, or you want, I want to have one of this just in case it's right there. Maybe spider, do something different. Oh my god, it is so cool. Oh, all right, so let's do the spider, the red one. Okay, I want to leave it just simple like that, and I'm gonna go ahead and add some of crystals randomly. Feel free to do it randomly. You don't have to place it exactly where certain places. You can do it randomly on it.
And then you can just spray pixel on that later.
Yep. I just want to do it simple.
And if you want like some stable product from our brand, you definitely want to check out the Crystal Trifecta, which is Nancy applying right now for all the crystal. So that's our bread and butter with our set, the Crystal Trifecta. Anytime you tackle crystal or anything of glowing on your nails at all, big, small, 3D and everything in between, it will stick.
So I'm gonna open that and we are going to sprinkle it on the nails. Don't key anything yet, just sprinkle it right in. And if you want to do like a phone coverage just on the nails, you can definitely do that. I'm gonna do slowly. Make sure you get the triangle tray. Oh, I put a little bit too much.
It's okay.
I'm gonna gather it later.
Yes, we do have Black Friday, so definitely look forward to that. You have another 2 months from that, but yes, always, every year.
And then I'm like, okay, I'm gonna be careful. So I'm not using another tray and kind of sprinkle really gentle on the edges. Great, so happy with this. I got everything is covered, so I'm gonna go ahead and kind of taper it in to make sure that all of the Diamond Dust Pixie stay nice in the frame with the help of the crystal trifecta, which is condensed glue gels and no wipe top coat right now on the base, it will grab all of your pixie, keep it in one place. All you need to do is to just make sure that anything is hang off on the edges. You can just like give it a quick tap it, and you're happy with this, we'll go ahead and cure for 60 seconds.